Today I'm going to ask 10 why questions that will totally blow your mind. But here's the catch. One of them is completely fake and made up. Drop a comment and tell me which one you think is the lie. Let's go. First why. Why is the sky blue? Most people say it's because the sea reflects it. Completely wrong. The truth is that when sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, blue light scatters the most. That's because blue has a shorter wavelength and collides more with their molecules. That's why sunsets are red, because the blues are gone. The second why. Why does ice float on water? Water is the only substance in nature that increases in volume when it freezes. When water molecules freeze, they form a hexagonal structure that has a lot of empty space. If this didn't happen, all the seas would freeze from the bottom up, and life on Earth would be impossible. The third why. Why is yawning contagious? Scientists say this is because of empathy and imitation. Our brain is designed in a way that copies the behavior of others. But interestingly, only humans, monkeys, and dogs do this. Even blind people yawn when they hear the sound of yawning. The fourth why. Why do your fingers wrinkle in the bath? Did you think it's because they absorb water? Wrong. This is an evolutionary mechanism for survival. Your nervous system wrinkles your fingers so that when your hands are wet, you have a better grip. Like the tread on car tires in the rain. If the nerve in your finger is cut, it won't wrinkle. The fifth why. Why is a banana curved? Because of gravity. While growing on the tree, the banana always bends towards sunlight. This movement is called phototropism. At the same time, gravity also affects it. The combination of these two makes it take its characteristic crescent shape. By the way, a banana is technically a berry, not a fruit. Sixth why. Why are tears salty? Because we came from the sea. Millions of years ago, our ancestors lived in salty waters. Our tears have the same chemical composition as seawater, sodium, potassium, and chloride. By the way, tears of joy are different from tears of sadness. Tears of joy are sweeter. Our body is intelligent even when it comes to crying. Seventh why. Why does a rooster crow in the morning? Because of its biological clock. Roosters have an internal 23.8-hour clock that's even more precise than ours. Even if you keep them in a dark place, they will still crow right before sunrise. This crowing is to mark their territory and attract hens. Interestingly, even roosters on farms do the same thing. Eighth why. Why is a day 24 hours long? Because of the moon. Billions of years ago, Earth rotated much faster and a day was only 6 hours long. But the moon, with its gravitational pull, gradually slowed Earth's rotation until it reached 24 hours. It's still slowing down. Every 100 years, the day gets to milliseconds longer. In 600 million years, a day will last 25 hours. Ninth why. Why is blood red? Because of iron. Inside your red blood cells, there's a protein called hemoglobin that contains iron. When iron combines with oxygen, it turns red just like rust. But interestingly, not all animals have red blood. Crabs have blue blood, lizards green, and some worms purple. Even humans' blood looks dark blue when it lacks oxygen. 10th why. Why is a rainbow curved? You might say it's because Earth's gravity bends the light, but that's completely false. The truth is, a rainbow is actually a full circle, but we only see half of it because the Earth blocks the rest. From an airplane, you can see the whole circle. Its curved shape comes from the spherical shape of water droplets in the air, which reflect light at 42 degrees. Alright guys, if you were paying attention, number 10 was a total lie. Rainbows have nothing to do with gravity. Now tell me in the comments which of these did you already know and which one surprised you the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and share it with your friends to see how many answers they know.